All right, so I've got a few things ready here. Got my little cup, my son's cup from Fort Sam Houston. So shout out to one of our ExploreTraveler team members. A little coffee. I'm a kind of an old school ex-military guy. I love a little black coffee when I'm out camping. So let's check here, see how we're doing. As you can see, our water is looking pretty good. It's definitely hot. So we're going to put that back on there. Now I'm going to add some more water. This time, a little extra. We'll let this cook. Because for dinner, we are going to test out the Mountain House Chili Mac. Now, I have several brands. This is not one of the brands that I carry, that I sell from time to time. This is Mountain House, so we're going to check it out. Let's look inside here. It's got 570 calories. It's pretty good for a hike. I'd probably eat this before I go on a hike, something similar. It's got 78 grams of carbohydrates, which if you're going to go on a hike in the morning like I am, this is going to be needed fuel. So I'm going to get this prep, and this says 1 3/4 cups. And then you just close the zipper and let it sit. So let's do this. Let's get this prep. Just make sure the zipper is going to work. And yep. Don't forget the inside preservative thing. Take that out. You don't need that. Okay, that's sitting over here. I'm a big taster choice. And the glass bottle, I can put a lot of stuff in there. So you don't need to have to buy everything. I mean, this right here, a canteen cup from the Vietnam era, which you could probably get for, $1 or $2 at a secondhand store. I mean, you can find this kind of stuff, and secondhand stores are really cute, really just cool places for camping stuff supplies. So let's see how hot my coffee is. Oh man, that's really good. That's like super good. Okay, next stop, Chili Mac.